Chime's virtual card is a digital Visa debit card linked to your Chime checking account, offering secure, PIN-free payments without needing a physical card. It's ideal for online shopping, subscriptions, and in-store use via mobile wallets. Available instantly upon account sign-up, it supports contactless payments at millions of US locations accepting Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. No credit check required, and transactions pull from your balance. Access your virtual card. Open the Chime app. Download from App Store or Google Play if needed. Log in with your credentials. Tap Profile, then Cards to view your virtual card details, card number, expiration, and CVV. Add to mobile wallet, Apple Pay. In Wallet app, tap the plus icon, debit or credit card. Scan or enter Chime virtual card info. Verify via Chime app, push notification. Google Pay, open Google Pay, tap the plus icon, payment method. Add card details and confirm. Samsung Pay, similar process in Samsung Wallet app. Make in-store payment. At checkout, open your Wallet app, select the Chime virtual card, and hold your phone near the contactless reader. Look for the wave symbol. No PIN needed. Tap to approve. Funds deduct instantly. Limitations and tips. Only works where contactless payments are accepted. Manual entry at registers isn't supported for virtual cards. Monitor via app for real-time alerts. If lost, lock instantly in-app. Can't deposit cash directly. Use physical card or app barcode at retailers like Walgreens. Check balance first to avoid declines.